It was interesting. All the attorneys were here. They were here early, trying out the audio-visual system in the courtroom, their PowerPoint opening statement presentations. They were all here. The judge took the bench. All the attorneys said they're ready to proceed to trial. The judge said the court is ready too, but it never happened. The judge granted a postponement after both sides asked for it. Both sides who are so opposed agree on the same thing. It's a rare occurrence.
No comment.
Day one of the trial began with arguments about why it should not begin. In a rare moment of agreement in the deadly Key Bridge collapse case, opposing sides both asked to postpone the civil trial pending the outcome of the criminal one, but for different reasons. The cargo ship's attorneys say it'll show the remaining claims should be tossed, while the remaining claimants, including Baltimore City and County, say the criminal indictment bolsters their claims. The judge ultimately agreed to a delay. Mr. Goodman, you're the attorney for the city of Baltimore. The judge was really frustrated, and he said he's venting on behalf of the public and the court. What do you want people in the city to know about why you agreed to postpone this trial?
I think we're going to get into anything, are we?
No, we're not.
Okay.
This comes after a flurry of last-minute settlements on Friday. 39 of the 50 claims have now been resolved, the judge noted, including all of the personal injury, wrongful death, property, and cargo claims. And he said he's putting the civil matter on hold for now to make sure the remaining claims are legally viable before trying them in a lengthy 5-week trial.
Having represented two of the families who unfortunately lost their father, all of the death cases and all the personal injury cases were settled. And that was the biggest thing that the court was concerned about today, is that has been done. And I think he is interested in efficiency, and we'll try to help in getting that done.
Of course, there were some clashes in this still contentious case. One of the claimant's attorneys said the criminal indictment includes allegations that the Dali's owners or operators paid $1,000 to get fraudulent inspection certificates that they said were hanging up in a cabinet doorknob inside the ship. The opposing counsel said that is 100% not true. The judge, in the end, set a schedule which has all of the briefs due for all people on both sides by the end of this month. Reporting live from Federal Court downtown, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL-TV 11 News.